In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Hostinger IP address. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just getting started with web hosting, locating your IP address in Hostinger can sometimes be a bit daunting. But don't worry, today we'll walk through the process step by step to make it perfectly clear and hassle-free. First things first, we need to navigate to Hostinger's homepage. So fire up your browser and head over to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do that before proceeding, so hit the sign up button and follow the prompts. After signing in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, you want to look for an option labeled Websites. Typically, you'll find this link in the main navigation menu of your Hostinger account. Clicking this will bring you to a list of the websites associated with your account. Find the website for which you want to locate the IP address and choose the dashboard option for that site. The dashboard is essentially the control hub for each of your sites, and it's where we'll perform the next steps. Once you're on the website dashboard, locate the option labeled Advanced. This is usually nestled within the main navigation or possibly under a section that groups additional settings and features. Clicking on Advanced opens up a menu of more in-depth and technical options for your site. Now we're getting into the final steps. Within the Advanced section, look for a heading called SSH Access. For those who might not be familiar, SSH or Secure Shell is a network protocol that provides administrators with a secure way to access a remote computer. Click on SSH Access. This is where we'll find those precious details we're after. Here's where we wrap things up. Now that you're in the SSH Access section, you should see an option labeled SSH Details. Click on this and voila, your IP address will be clearly listed here, among other details pertaining to your server. This is your Hostinger IP address, which you can use for a variety of purposes, such as setting up FTP connections, configuring your domain, or accessing server files directly through terminal applications. That's it! You've now successfully located your Hostinger IP address, and it wasn't too hard, was it? Remember, understanding how to navigate your hosting settings is key to managing your website effectively. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is always just a click away. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!